Let's see how you can easily convert your Instagram stories into leads and sales using a simple chatbot automation. So here the idea is to post Instagram stories something like this. So let me show an example story over here. So here if I click on this one, it says struggling to save money, get my free ebook tips and with proven tips, DM save. So here it pushes the customer to send a DM right from the Instagram stories over here, and when they send the specific keyword, so here the keyword we set up was save, and from there we can actually trigger an automation and collect their details and then offer them the PDF and also send follow-up messages within 24 hours as well. Since we have collected their email, we can also do email marketing as well. So let's see how to achieve this live. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have already connected the Instagram account right here. And if you want to send emails within the platform, you can also connect your email right here. So you can actually connect any email provider you like and send emails for free within our platform as well. So here for example we have connected test@chatting media right here. All right, so now let's go to the flows and build a simple chatbot flow to collect a particular customer details over there. So let me click on create new, and let me name this particular flow as stories to leads. Click continue. So here what is the first step? So let's say we want to collect a particular customer's email. So let me say add content. So here we want to collect a particular customer detail, that means get user data. All right, and what message you want to send them. So let me say thanks for your interest in my free ebook, please enter your email address below so I can send it right away. So here I'm asking them to provide the email address. So click on edit and make sure the reply type is email and also save the response in the email field. So remove the skip button over here. All right, and click save. Done. So once they provide the email, that means the data is saved. So you can actually set the email opt-in as well. So that means you have the permissions to send them the email within the platform. So choose email action, set email opt-in. All right, so this means you have the permission to send them the email, and now you can send the next message. So click send message over here, and here you can simply send them a message with the free PDF right within the DMs, and also you can also send them an email as well. It will be send them as a DM on Instagram. So here you can add a button as well. So let me say download now. So you can add any button label as you like, and here you have to link the specific PDF over there. So open website and add the specific PDF link. For example, let me use this free PDF found online about money basics guide to budgets and savings. So just a demo PDF right here. So let me simply use this particular link over here and add it. All right, so after they provide their email, they will receive a DM with the specific PDF, and you can also send them an email as well. So if you want to send them an email, choose send email and send whatever the email you want to send to them. Let me add the subject saying free ebook and add the title over here. You can do the same pre-header, headline. If you want, you can add any sort of headlines as you wish, and you can even upload any sort of images as well. So let me add this and just add the button and add the website link as well. So here you can even add any other subjects or the content for this email as well. So let me say download now. All right, save it. So this is a very simple email without any sort of content over there, just for the demo. And here we immediately send them an email as well. But if you want to send any sort of follow-up messages, you can do that. For example, let's wait for 24 hours or 23 hours. So let me set for like 23 hours, but for the demo let me choose 23 seconds, just to show you how the follow-up message look like. So here when you send the follow-up message, you can send the follow-up message through emails, or if you want to send a DM, you can do that as well. So this will be sent as a DM to them right there. So for example, let me say, hey, just wanted to check in to see if you get a chance to look at the free PDF I sent. Let me know what you think. So just a follow-up message right here asking about if they actually check the free PDF over there. So very simple flow I have created right here. Click on publish. All right, so now we have to connect this particular IG stories to leads to the Instagram story automation. So go to the marketing tools over here, choose Instagram story automations, and let me create a new one, and let me say IG stories to ebook. All right, and here you can select a specific story. So here we have already posted the story, so that means you can select that story. Otherwise, if you choose all stories, it will simply work on all the previous stories and also the future ones as well. So that's easy. And reply with, so you have to choose the specific flow which we just created. So here IG stories to leads. So this is the flow we just created, and here you have to set the specific keyword. So the keyword will be save. So that was the keyword we set up in the stories. So here this is the keyword DM save. So I have added the keyword as well. All right, so let me save it. So this save and active. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So here let me open this particular flow over here and also share my phone screen as well. All right, so let me open the same story over here and send the keyword which is save. All right, I send the keyword. Let's see what happens over here. I should receive a message right here saying, thanks for your interest in my free ebook. Please enter your email address so that I can send it right away. All right, so let me enter my email address over here. Address as chattingmedia@gmail.com. Let's see what happens over here. It should send me the ebook right here. It says, thanks to you all set. Please tap the button below to access the free ebook. So if I tap on download now, it will open the free ebook right there, which they can check right from the DMs. So it will also send them an email as well. So let me check if we have received any sort of emails as well. So here, this is the email I just received. So this is the email content I added, free ebook, this is the thing, and download now as well. So here exactly I set up right here in the flow builder, and also in 23 seconds we should receive a follow-up message as well. So now we should have received it already. So let me share my phone screen, and as you can see here, this is the follow-up message I just received. Hey, just wanted to check in, what do you think about the free ebook? So here you can, if you go to the unified inbox over here, you can track all the conversation happened from all these channels, including the Instagram. So this from the Instagram, you can see this is a particular person interacted, the email provided, and you can check all the chats happened right here. So they actually replied to the story, that's why it triggered the automations. And from here, and agent can easily send any sort of messages right here as well, and the customer will receive it as well. So here the customer will receive it, simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily convert your Instagram stories into leads and sales. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.